Hi guys, what is up everyone? Welcome back for a new video. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nisrin. I do beauty, lifestyle, do-it-yourself kind of video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be dyeing my hair. Oh my god, low-key I'm freaking out. But at the same time, I'm kind of excited because I'm super tired of this color. It's like very blonde and then I had blonde highlight and it's a lot of maintenance, and then now it's just fading out. And it's not even like brown, it's not blonde, it's a mix of a yellow, orangey. I don't even know how to describe this. So I wanted to dye my hair jet black, and the color I picked up from Walmart. I'm sorry, I opened it so it's already open. I went to Walmart yesterday and I picked up this color. It's like super black and the name is Infinia Deep Black and it's the Gamme Superior Preference. So this is the one. So it's like very dark compared to my hair right now, but this is what I want. I want like a bold solid color, black, so it's easy to maintain. I don't want to have highlight again. I don't want to damage my hair, so I want to do this for once and then not touch my hair color and not color my hair for another, like, I don't know, a year or so. Hopefully I can stay a year without doing that because I just love changing. What is specific about this color is it contains a color refresher, which is this one. I'm gonna show you all the product that comes in it, but this is the color refresher. This will help the color not to fade out. You know, like the first time it's very dark and luminous and then it just starts fading out as the week pass. I unboxed this and I'm gonna show you everything that it contains. Number one, this is a color optimizing cream. Number two, it's the actual color gel that I'm gonna use. Probably gonna put this one in this container, mix up and then apply. Number three, we have the Color and Shine conditioner. And then the last one, which I just showed you, it's the number 4 color refresher in the shade black. And of course there is like the little instruction guide here with the gloves inside. I suggest you buy a tablecloth from dollar store, like a plastic one. I just put that on the floor to avoid any kind of stain on my carpet or on the flooring itself. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a towel. I'm gonna put it around me, put some Vaseline in here to avoid all the stain on my face, and we can start the color. I'll be right back. So I'm back, I have my towel on. I'm just gonna clip it with a hair clip here so it doesn't open every time. Now I'm gonna apply Vaseline all around my face to avoid all the stains. So now of course we're gonna put the gloves on. So step number one, we're gonna mix the color optimizing and the actual gel color. So number 1 and number 2 together. And then I'm gonna close it. And then you close it back. I'm not gonna cut this right away because I want to mix first. You mix it up. So I sectioned my hair in 2 and now I'm gonna start by applying the product. So usually people start with here, but I'm gonna start from the bottom because that's where my hair is the most, because that's where the lighter color is. Just putting the product with my finger first. I'm kind of nervous, guys. I'm kind of nervous too, I'm not gonna lie, but it's nice to change. I'm also twisting and applying the product that way, so I make sure that underneath is also covered. I'm gonna set my alarm for 20 minutes and I'm gonna go shower and I'll be right back. Hi guys, so I'm back to show you. This is the end result. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So I didn't blow dry. I just put a leave-in conditioner and a serum from John Frieda. So that concludes today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye!